How to fix a Snapchat black screen issue. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly if you have the Snapchat black screen issue, what you have to do is you have to firstly go to the your camera in the your of your phone, and then of your default camera, and you can see the this is uh, if your camera is also showing the pictures that you are showing on the Snapchat, seeing on the Snapchat, then then your glass is broken, or so or so that's it. But if your if the Snapchat have problem, it is showing the bad pictures or black, if they have black screen issue but your camera is perfectly fine, then there is the issue of the Snapchat. So how you can fix it? So what you have to do is you have to firstly to the settings, and then you have to click on the about phone. When you click on the about phone, you have to click on this version here, you can see, and then you can check the updates, you can update the phone, and then there is also the issue. But if it still not working, then what you have to do is you have to again go to your home screen, and then you have to long hold the Snapchat icon, and then you have to click on the app info. When you click on the app info, then what you can do is you can click on the storage, and then you can clear the cache in of this by clear data, and then you can clear cache and click on the OK, and then you can also do this, and so that's it. And but if it still not working, so what you can do is you have to go to your Play Store, and then you can search for the Snapchat here, a Snapchat, and after that you can open it, you can update it. But if there is update, you can update it, and you can if it is still not working, then you can uninstall it, and then you can reinstall it again. So that's it, that how you can fix it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.